This video will provide you guidance for programming the Yale Libi digital lever key. Before you begin programming, check that the key can be used to lock and unlock, and ensure you've installed the 9-volt battery. Keep the door open so you can access both the inside and the keypad on the outside. If you're finding it hard to see the keypad, simply wave your hand in front of it to activate the backlight. Your lock has two modes, auto lock mode or passage mode. Switching the slider to the auto lock mode will immediately lock your outside handle and trigger your lock to auto lock after a certain time. The default auto lock time is 5 seconds. Switching the slider to passage mode will immediately unlock the outside handle and your lock will not auto lock. To add a user code, press the programming button located under the battery cover using the provided Allen key or a small pin. Then press 1, followed by the circle key. Then enter a 4 to 10-digit user code and press the circle key again to confirm. Now that you've added a user code, you can simply enter the user code to unlock the door. This will unlock the outside handle. To delete a user code, press the programming button, then press 2, followed by the circle key. Enter the user code you wish to delete, then the circle key. Enter user code again to confirm, then press the circle key once more to complete. To delete all user codes, press the programming button, then press 3, followed by the circle key. The default auto lock time is 5 seconds. If you wish to change this, the time delay can be between 1 and 99 seconds. To set the auto lock time delay, press the programming button, then press 6, followed by the circle key. Then enter the time delay number in seconds, followed by the circle key. The keypad volume is on by default. Turning it off will disable all keypad sounds, unless you're in the programming menu. To turn it off or on, press the programming button, then press 7, followed by the circle key. An optional programming code allows you to secure the programming menu from other users. To set a programming code, press the programming button, then press 4, followed by the circle key. Then enter your 4 to 10-digit code, followed by the circle key. The programming code cannot be the same as an existing user code. Now, to access the programming menu, instead of pressing the programming button, the menu can only be accessed by entering the program code followed by the circle key. Please note that the programming code cannot be used to unlock the door. To enable or disable vacation mode, press the programming button, then press 8, followed by the circle key. Enabling vacation mode will also disable all user codes from working on the keypad, but your mechanical key will still work. If you have a programming code set up, you can use the programming code to access the programming menu while in vacation mode. To add a one-time user code, press the programming button, then press 9, followed by the circle key. Then enter the one-time user code, followed by the circle key. Up to 5 one-time user codes can be saved. Once the one-time code has been used, it will be deleted immediately. To factory reset the lock, remove the battery cover, then press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds until you hear 3 long beeps. This will reset the lock to its default settings and all user codes and the programming code, if set, will be cleared.